Bezel-less smartphones are selling like hotcakes these days, and almost every other brand is releasing their bezel-less device. Still, when you opt for a budget, no bezel smartphone, you'll end up disliking most of them because few notable problems. But here's where Vernee can impress you a hell lot. So, how are you doing, everyone? This is Dr. Short Circuit, and today we have the Vernee Mix 2 for a checkup. Let's roll. So talking about the design, Vernee Mix 2 has a smooth phone body with super slim metal frame. Vernee has provided the smartphone with a premium look. The design of this phone is quite similar to the prominent Xiaomi Mix 6-inch super large screen with the resolution of 2160x1080p. The screen has rounded corner for ensuring the best possible display for watching videos or playing games on this phone, and will be an unforgettable experience. The phone is made 80% of glass. One great thing that I like about this smartphone is having a big screen. You can still comfortably hold it in one hand. In the past, I didn't actually like using 6-inch phones, but this one is an exception, which makes me look more and more into it. Coming to the hardware, Vernee Mix 2 comes equipped with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM and powers the latest Helio P25 chipset with 2.5 GHz octa-core processor, which makes this phone very fast and fluid while operating. With the 18:9 all-screen ratio, everything playing on the display will be more broad vision, even gaming gets better. Vernee Mix 2 comes with a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup, the first model from Vernee featuring the dual rear camera setup on the rear. Though for me the second camera looks fake, but can't confirm, but the images had great sharpness and quality compared to the price it comes. For the selfie maniacs, Mix 2 has an 8 megapixel front camera. You will also get plenty of beauty effects to make your selfie look super cute and beautiful. However, the picture quality of the front camera is quite average for me. Also, the front camera placement, which is at the bottom, didn't impress me. Though it is a bezel-less smartphone and the brand did that to keep the bezels as minimal as possible, so I understand. From the software front, the Mix 2 comes with an Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, and I haven't received any updates so far. But the brand promises of important patch updates and more. It's purely stock version of Android, and there's nothing better than stock Android, right? Well, for the large screen phablets, we need a large battery to power the beast up, right? Yes, Mix 2 comes with a massive 4200 mAh non-removable battery, which is quite sufficient for this phone. You can easily get a full day battery backup in the normal use. Fun fact, this smartphone also supports fast charging, which charges up the device really fast. Really fast. We have reached the end of this checkup report after diagnosing our today's patient, Vernee Mix 2. Why buy? Well, if you're looking for a smartphone which has quite large screen with the minimum bezels at the side, basically looking to follow the trend and get a sexy mixed device, and also at the same time you don't want to spend a large amount of money, then you should definitely go for the Vernee Mix 2. You can use the purchase link from the description below to have additional discounts on your purchases, and believe me, you won't be disappointed. So thanks for watching. This is a pretty new channel as I switched over from my old channel due to some prior reasons. You can join my team by simply subscribing below and pressing the bell icon to get notified whenever a new patient device comes in for review. Okay, gotta go. Bye.